You're watching Wake Up with Al. Once again, here's Al Roker and Stephanie Abrams.
Okay. Well, this morning on Woo-Wah DIY, fall can be a great time for foliage viewing, unless, of course, you're looking at those leaves clogging up your gutter.
Well, I mean, if you don't have tall sheep or perhaps get a giraffe in, you know, to chew them out, we've enlisted the help of our friend Lou Manfredini, the host of the syndicated show HouseSmarts, to show us how you can clean your gutters this autumn. Lou, thanks for coming back. I mean, you saw those sheep, right, eating
There's a terrific restaurant in Door County, Wisconsin, where they have sheep up on the roof. It's fantastic.
Really? And then clean out the gutters?
Well, they eat the grass that's on the roof. Right.
Now, cleaning your gutters can be dangerous. I mean, you're up on ladders. A lot of folks who aren't really qualified to do that.
The statistic is 250,000 people end up in the ER because of accidents on ladders. Now, that's not all from cleaning your gutters, but many are. And the fact of the matter is, these systems that I'm going to talk about today, as the weather changes, the leaves are falling, these are very important. And there's a wide range of price points, and it does keep you off of the ladder, and it keeps you from ever having to clean the gutters again.
So what are these, like, caterpillar-looking things?
All right, well, this is called GutterBrush. Exactly what it looks like. It looks like a giant pipe cleaner. They come in 3-foot sections. They come in different sizes in the diameter, and literally what you do is you clean out your gutter for the first time, and so it's nice and clean. These sections get shoved in underneath the actual ties of the gutter. That's it. These tines are UV protected, so any kind of leaves that go over the top will sit there. When they dry out and the wind blows, boom, they go right off.
This is funny. For all the ladies out there, this looks like a brush that we use to curl your hair, so maybe
what do you mean, ladies?
Well.
I used that this morning.
There you go.
Al, you used this, didn't you?
There are many uses probably for this. But that's another story.